Although many variations were made and used during World War II, the C-47 is the most recognizable because of the important role of the invasion of Normandy. That would spark an end to the war in Europe. With the start of the World War II, production switched to the C-47 for the direction of the war, with 10,174 aircraft built for the U.S. operations by Douglas Aircraft Company. And some kind of redundancy over here, the Douglas C-47 Skytrain, or as well, it was known also as Dakota. And it's a military transport aircraft developed for the civilian as a Douglas DC-3 airliner. It was used extensively by the Allies during World War II, yes, and remaining the frontline service for various military operations for many, many years. So this aircraft, it was a workhorse of power during the war, and it continued to serve the armed forces of the Allies for many, many years. It's a beautiful, strong aircraft, and you still find it around different countries in the world. They're still using it for various cargo operations, collectors, etc., etc. As I'm showing right here, there's difference in between the sheet metal aluminum area and the fabric. The moving surfaces are made out of fabric to have ease of movement, and the rest of the fuselage and the wings are made out of aluminum sheet. Over here we have the radome, and then below the pitot tubes with their drains, and then the antennas and scoops for cooling and stuff like that. So this is a very, very rudimentary aircraft, very, very basic.